guys will watch me unbox anything for some reason. So I'm going to be unboxing some tire glue, sealant, whatever you want to call it. You can't just put this on the tire and it seal it. It's not like slime or something like that. This is, it works with the patch. It's not the style that you light on fire if you've seen some videos like that. It's just a PVC pipe kind of deal. You just rub it right on there, stick your plug in. That may have my address on it, so I'm going to look at it. It just says I paid 10 bucks for it. Link will be in the description below. This is what I'm going to be using. I get a lot of holes in my tires. I'm on a lot where they just make trailers and stuff like that. So there's a lot of screws that fall out of the frame or wherever they got them, and they go right through my tire. Now I drive through a lot of construction. That also, I just got flat a couple days ago. I ended up fixing a flat right there. I pulled over right into the construction area, popped tire off, did it right there. I just wanted to see what the consistency was. That's on there good. I was going to use this as a box. Put a little bit on there. Let me get this open. Gosh, use my shirt or something. Well, I ain't ending the video. It's only supposed to be a 2-minute video. We'll get some vice scripts, I guess. Nope, vice scripts are too small. I am not editing this video. You guys can just listen to me this whole time. Guess I gotta go to the kitchen and get the wife's. Use a sock. You guys are just down there listening to me. Man, that won't do it either. Huh. Man, it will not open on me. So, brush in can. I'm sure it's attached to it. I cannot believe for this video I cannot get that open. It would be helpful if it had better grip on it than that. Come on, you stupid thing. My hand just slides right off of it. You know what? It's just because I ate some potato chips. So that's my review on it. I finally got it undone. I had to heat it up. Actually, it's Thanksgiving right now, and I had it up against, I was going to somebody else's house, and I had it up against a slow cooker, and it warmed this whole thing up to where it's kind of hot to the touch. And it must have messed with the metal a little bit, heating it up, and I got it open. So that's what it looks like. It looks just like Elmer's glue or whatever you'd use in school. The odor isn't too strong. Like, I can't even smell it right now, and I'm right behind the camera. I did put it on something to see how it dries, but it's not rubber that I put it on. And it dried kind of like you could still touch it. It was sticky. So, it should work pretty good. But I just wanted to show you guys what the consistency looked like on the inside.